Hey everyone, in this video, I will guide you how you can delete all your Snapchat memories in a single click. You can select all your memories and can delete in a single click. For that, just open your Snapchat app on your mobile phone and go to your this camera option. Now here at the left side, you can see there is a gallery option. Click on this at the left bottom and you will go to your Snapchat memories. Now here you can see this is all your memories, either your pictures or your videos or snaps, everything. Now in order to delete all these memories in a single click, at the top right side, click on this check button and now simply click on select all. When you click on select all, here you can see at the bottom more option. Click on this more option and here you can see there is delete option. Just simply click on this delete button and your all Snapchat memories will be deleted. Here you can see remove snaps. So just simply click on delete and your all memories will be cleared in a single click.